All right, new office is coming along. Oh my goodness, we have so much more room. Yes. Tomorrow this will all be cleaned up. Recording equipment, printer, vacuum. We have carpet. Guard dog. Busy. Not guarding. Tater. What do you think? All right. Stereo. First computer. First customer at this office, I should say. Nice. Transferring about 200 gigs worth of his data from his USB drive there to his HP here. Drum roll. 16 minutes. And here's the new router. 100 megs down, I just upgraded that. Should be 300 shortly in the next few days. That's pretty much it. Back in Redondo after 5 years. There we go. Still got some work to do, but we'll get there.